On March 23, 2022, the largest cryptocurrency theft in history was already 3 weeks old, and nobody had noticed. Axie Infinity wasn't just a game. It was a financial ecosystem built on the Ronin blockchain, a side chain designed to process transactions faster and cheaper than Ethereum. By early 2022, millions of players, many in Southeast Asia, were earning real income playing it. They staked their livelihoods on a network that was supposed to be secure. It wasn't. Between February 2nd and 8th, someone moved 173,600 Ethereum and 5 million USD off the Ronin Bridge. The bridge, a critical piece of infrastructure, had been built with only 5 validators needed to approve transactions, 5 gates, and hackers had compromised 9 of them. The theft wasn't detected for weeks because the validators kept running normally as if nothing had happened. When the hack surfaced, the finger-pointing began immediately. Sky Mavis, the studio behind Axie, had taken one of the validators offline for maintenance. That meant only 4 validators remained active, and all 4 had been compromised. A single maintenance window, a single point of failure. The entire system collapsed on that decision. Intelligence agencies eventually traced the theft back to Lazarus Group, a North Korean state-sponsored hacking collective. The same outfit behind the Sony hack, the WannaCry ransomware, and countless bank heists. This wasn't an accident. It was a surgical operation, patient, methodical, and devastating. The stolen funds were worth $625 million at the time, the largest single cryptocurrency theft ever recorded. What made this different from other breaches? The scale, the sophistication, and the fact that ordinary people, farmers, students, breadwinners in the Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, lost their livelihoods overnight. Axie had promised financial freedom. Instead, it delivered a masterclass in how fragile blockchain infrastructure actually is. The ecosystem never fully recovered. Player earnings collapsed. Trust evaporated. Sky Mavis reimbursed users from their own reserves, a $150 million band-aid on a structural wound. But the real lesson wasn't about Axie. It was about decentralization itself. A system with 5 validators isn't decentralized. It's just centralized with extra steps, and North Korea proved it. Today, the stolen crypto moves through mixers and exchanges, slowly converted into untraceable assets. Some funds have been frozen by exchanges, some remain in limbo, but the fundamental question lingers. If a nation-state can dismantle a $3 billion ecosystem in a week, what does security actually mean in this space? The answer is still being written. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Subscribe for the next deep dive into how the systems we trust actually break and why. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research.